Hello everyone, this is Julie Fiore with new video. A little bit unusual because it's wedding time here. I have such amazing bouquet and I can't not to share with you this amazing beauty. I'm very addicted with the flowers and really I'm going now for photo shoot, and before this I thought like why not to share with you with this very super simple hairstyle in I don't know even which era, maybe something on the start of the 20th century I guess, and plus I think it's could be used and could be used in some I don't know, even really wedding in modern wedding too, or I'm not sure actually, but anyway, this hairstyle is very fast, super glamorous. If you need to do some fast hairstyle, it's really took like 15 minutes maybe, and I even didn't use any of hairspray or something. Just setting spray before curling, and actually that's all. So I hope you will enjoy this amazing romantic tutorial, and will be dry. Foam rollers overnight 22 millimeters on the dry hair. I received such curls, and actually to be honest I wanted to do my hairstyle in other way. But when I brush the hair, this is like first what I'm doing after I remove my foam rollers and brushed my hair very gently to make it fluffy and to see what I have in result. And after I wanted to do hairstyle like on the one side, to do a side parting, but I saw how beautiful my hair laying, and thinking like why not to do like to left this middle parting and just create very simple and fast hairstyle. So I took the teasing brush and starting to create waves to make my curls smooth and beautiful. Trying to do actually waves the same on the both sides, but actually this goal is unreal. So don't think about this. And then I just put together all the curls that I brushed before at the back, using bobby pins matching my hair color, and just holding them together actually. That's all. Yes, that's all. Yes, and as you can see, I didn't use even any duck bill clips or something because my hair curls very good and I don't need nothing, just a good brush, a few bobby pins, and this hairstyle in, I think it's like 30 style most, ready. I added hair accessories to match in my cute dress, so flowers, adding accessories like beautiful pendant, earrings to complete my look, and yes, vintage gloves, these gloves from 1950s, and yeah, this amazing bouquet. Just look on this bouquet. It was so fresh flowers and they smelled very long time. I was every time I was going around and smell them. Amazing. Thank you so much for watching. My looks is done, and I will add few photos from my photo shoot in the end. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Try to do this hairstyle. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.